The Troffer transformer is an all-new product for 2020. This is the culmination of years of work in a patent-pending design. These are solutions whether you have a 2x2, 2x4, or 1x4 fluorescent fixture. The amazing thing about these products is that they can be installed either as a door retrofit kit or as a luminaire. One-piece design, the only product in the world that's a one-piece design without any additional brackets, and it's completely seamless when it's installed. Available in either a volumetric center basket style or a flat panel style. Let's take a look at just how fast these are to retrofit in a 2x4 fluorescent fixture.
The Troffer transformer's one-piece design does not include any additional brackets or trim pieces. The installation accessory bag includes a ballast disconnect, white screw hole covers, 2 safety cable support brackets, 2 self-tapping screws, and 6 T-bar spacing clips. A T30 Torx screwdriver will be necessary for installation as well. The T30 Torx screwdriver is used to turn the expanding fingers, part of our innovative grid locking technology. The provided white 3M adhesive-backed screw head covers will ensure that these screw heads are completely invisible after installation. We include a driver box on the back of each Troffer transformer so that it can be used as a wiring compartment if installed as a new fixture. Flex watt and flex color switches will allow you to select between 4 lumen packages and 3 color temperatures. They are easily accessible next to the driver box on the flat panel and under the lens on the volumetric. Optional motion sensors, wireless control systems, and emergency battery backup test buttons are designed to install seamlessly into the frame. If your installation requires plenum air return, the Troffer transformer can be ordered with optional discrete air return slots. Patent-pending grid lock technology is comprised of a knife edge on one side and on the other side expanding fingers. Both of these features are designed to capture the Troffer transformer in between the old fluorescent fixture and the T-bar grid. The grid spacing clips are optional. They only need to be utilized if installing the Troffer transformer as a door retrofit kit on the narrow 9/16 inch grid. They do not need to be utilized if installing as a door retrofit kit on the more common 15/16 inch grid, or if you are installing it as a new fixture, you do not need to ever use them. It's also important to note that if you run across the even less common screw slot style T-bar grid, this product will work as a new fixture, but not as a door retrofit kit. It is important that power is turned off before performing installation and all work is done by a qualified electrician. Installing the Troffer transformer as a new fixture is as simple as dropping it into the grid. An optional surface mount kit can be purchased for hard sealing installation. Begin by removing the fixture's lens or louver and lamps and ballast cover. It is optional to remove the fluorescent ballast. If you do choose to keep the fluorescent ballast in the fixture, please remove all wiring going to the ballast. Next, take the provided service disconnect and plug into the line, neutral, and ground wires. Using the provided self-tapping screws, attach the 2 provided cable support brackets to the fixture using existing or new holes. Hang the Troffer transformer from the existing fixture using the 2 safety cables, and then connect your service disconnect power. Bring the Troffer transformer up close to the ceiling and slide the knife edge in between the T-bar grid and the existing fixture. This will be much easier if the Troffer transformer is angled parallel to the ceiling. Use one hand to hold the Troffer transformer in place while twisting the T30 Torx screws with the screwdriver. The Troffer transformer is now locked into the ceiling grid. The white screw head covers can be applied. These will never fall off from heat or age due to the strong 3M adhesive backing. Installation is complete, power can be turned back on, and you can enjoy the beautiful, efficient LED light from your Remfoss by Light Efficient Design Troffer transformer.